The following table gives symbols for a base 12 numerical system called the Kaidas numbers. Write the base 10 number 962 as a Cardassian number, which again is a base 12 number system. For the first step, we will write 962 base 10 in base 12. Once we do this, we can determine the symbols for the Kaidas number. We know in base 10 the place values are powers of 10. In base 12, the place values are powers of 12. Starting on the far right, we have the 12 to the 0 or 1's place value, then the 12 to the 1st or 12's place value, then the 12 to the 2nd or 144's place value, and so on. The first step to write 962 base 10 in base 12 is to determine the highest power of 12 that will divide 962 at least once. And because 12 to the 3rd is greater than 962, the highest power of 12 that will divide 962 at least once is 12 to the 2nd. Which means we'll be using these three place values to express 962 base 10 as a number in base 12. To determine the whole number in the 12 to the 2nd or 144's place value, we divide 962 by 144. There are 6 144's in 962. 6 times 144 is 864. Now we subtract. This difference is 98. The quotient of 6 gives us the whole number in the 12 to the 2nd place value, which is the leftmost place value, this place value here. So we're going to have 6, then we'll have a whole number in the 12 to the 1st or 12's place value, and a digit in the 12 to the 0 or 1's place value. Let's go ahead and record the place values below the whole numbers. We have 12 to the 2nd, 12 to the 1st, and 12 to the 0. The next step is to take the remainder of 98 and divide by the next place value, which is 12 to the 1st or 12. So we divide 98 by 12. There are 8 12's in 98. 8 times 12 is 96. We subtract. The difference is 2. The quotient of 8 gives us the whole number in the 12's place value, which is here. And now we take the remainder of 2 and we divide by the next place value. But the 12 to the 0 place value is the 1's place value. And of course 2 divided by 1 is 2. And therefore we have a 2 in the 1's place value. Now we can write the Cardassian number using the symbols here. We need to locate the symbols for 6, 8, and 2. We begin with the symbol for 6, then the symbol for 8, and then the symbol for 2. This would be the Kaidas number for 962 base 10. I hope you found this helpful.